Homeowners in McLean understand the value of comfort, style, and long-term savings. With seasonal temperature swings, from humid summers to chilly winters, keeping your home comfortable can be a challenge. If your energy bills seem higher than they should be or certain rooms never feel quite right, your windows could be the reason. Residential Window Replacement McLean is one of the most effective ways to improve home energy efficiency while enhancing comfort and value. Why old windows reduce energy efficiency? Many older homes in McLean still have original windows with single-pane glass or aging double-pane units. Over time, seals weaken, frames warp, and small gaps develop around the edges. These issues allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter. As a result, your HVAC system works harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Drafty windows can cause noticeable hot and cold spots. In the winter, heat escapes through thin glass and poorly insulated frames. In the summer, sunlight and warm air enter your home, increasing indoor temperatures. This constant energy loss not only affects comfort but also drives up monthly utility bills. Residential Window Replacement McLean addresses these issues directly by installing modern, energy-efficient window systems designed to reduce heat transfer and air leakage. Advanced glass technology makes a difference. Today's replacement windows are built with energy performance in mind. Double-pane and triple-pane glass units include insulating air or gas fills between the panes. These layers act as a barrier, slowing the movement of heat between the inside and outside of your home. Low emissivity, low-E, coatings are another important feature. These microscopic coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to pass through. During colder months, low-E glass helps keep warm air inside. In warmer months, it reflects exterior heat away from your home. The result is more consistent indoor temperatures year-round. With Residential Window Replacement McLean, homeowners can choose window options specifically designed for the local climate, ensuring optimal energy performance throughout every season. Improved insulation and sealing energy efficiency isn't just about the glass. The window frame and installation process play a major role as well. Modern frames made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials offer better insulation compared to older aluminum or wood frames. Professional Residential Window Replacement McLean also ensures precise installation. Proper sealing around the window prevents drafts and eliminates air leaks. Even the most energy-efficient window won't perform well if it isn't installed correctly. That's why working with experienced professionals is essential for maximizing energy savings. Tight seals and well-insulated frames reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems, helping them operate more efficiently and last longer. Lower energy bills and long-term savings. One of the biggest advantages of Residential Window Replacement McLean is the financial benefit. Energy-efficient windows reduce the amount of energy required to heat and cool your home. Over time, this translates into noticeable savings on utility bills. While window replacement is an investment, many homeowners find that the reduction in monthly energy costs helps offset the initial expense. Additionally, energy-efficient upgrades often increase property value. If you decide to sell your home in the future, updated windows can be a strong selling point for buyers who prioritize efficiency and comfort. Enhanced comfort throughout your home. Energy efficiency isn't just about numbers on a bill, it's about how your home feels every day. Replacement windows eliminate drafts, reduce outside noise, and improve indoor temperature consistency. Rooms that were once too cold in winter or too warm in summer become comfortable and usable year-round. Residential Window Replacement McLean can also reduce condensation buildup on windows, which helps prevent moisture-related issues such as mold and frame damage. This creates a healthier indoor environment for your family. A smarter choice for McLean homeowners. Upgrading your windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make to your home's energy performance. With advanced materials, improved insulation, and expert installation, Residential Window Replacement McLean offers a practical solution for lowering energy use and increasing comfort. If your windows are outdated, drafty, or difficult to operate, it may be time to consider a replacement. Investing in modern, energy-efficient windows not only enhances your home's appearance but also delivers lasting comfort, savings, and peace of mind.